Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are good. Stay home, save your life. I'm your journal science teacher, and today we are going to continue our previous chapter, heat, light and sound. And today's our topics are understanding temperature and how a thermometer works. First, heat. Heat is a form of energy. It occurs when molecules start moving. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The temperature of something tells us how hot or cold something is. Temperature is measured by an instrument known as thermometer. Our temperature scale. There are three types of temperature scale: Fahrenheit scale, Celsius scale, and Kelvin scale. On the Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 degree and boil at 100 degree. On the Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degree and boil at 212 degree. The Kelvin scale is used to measure extremely cold and extremely hot temperature. Now, how a thermometer works. A thermometer has a glass tube sealed at both ends and is partially filled with a liquid like mercury or alcohol. Principle: when mercury gets hotter, it expands, increases in size by an amount that's directly related to the temperature. Now students, solve this worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to write down what temperature it is in Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. We have these three thermometers and we have to find the temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. Okay, now we are going to revise our first term syllabus, and in our first term syllabus the chapter includes unit number 2, the animal world, unit number 5, environment, unit number 7.1, understanding temperature, and 7.2, how a thermometer works. First, we have to revise our unit number 2, the animal world. All animals need 4 things to survive: water, energy, oxygen, and shelter. And adaptation is a special skill which helps an animal to survive. Adaptations could be physical or behavioral. Animals move for food, shelter, water, and escape from predators. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce new living things. Now we are going to summarize our chapter number 5, environment. Environment is everything that is around us, which includes both living and non-living things. A place in which a plant or animal lives is called its habitat. Natural resources are things that grow or are created naturally without human help. Now unit number 7, we are going to summarize unit number 7, heat, light and sound. Heat is a form of energy. It occurs when molecules start moving. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of an object. Thermometer has a glass tube sealed at both ends and it partially filled with a liquid like mercury or alcohol. Okay students, I hope everything is clear to you about the whole syllabus of first term. Thank you and take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.